Hi everybody, this is Moria from Luxury Bag Heaven and Handbag Liners. Just want to show you a repair that I do on the Longchamp Le Pliage bags. If you have one and you'd like it repaired, you can get in touch through the website there. It's very easy to book. And obviously I need your bag. So I just want to show you sort of before pictures, which is that's sort of halfway through because I've removed the part that's closes this seam, which is the bottom base, and I just want to show you what can be repaired. So all this is going to get tucked away and taken into the seam, and you will not see it once the bag is repaired. So that's before. Stay for the after. I'm back with the after. This is the new corners. All the damage has been hidden, and you have got yourself a lovely Le Pliage repaired bag. Next step is the organizer, so that would be reduced by 10% to encourage you to get an insert, because it does keep the bag for longer. It helps from any sort of sharp items like pens or other items to poke through the material, and that is the next thing I'm going to show you. So we have got the new insert made with the bottle holder and the little key clip, and I'm going to insert it and show you how it fits in the repaired bag. I hope that helps you. If you need any more help, just get in touch with the website. Bye.